Hello, I'm Bruce Saugstad, a 1989 alum of SMSU as well as a Foundation Board Member. I wanted to spend just a couple minutes with you today talking to you about the University Gala that is currently going on virtually for 2020. The Gala is a phenomenal opportunity to raise academic scholarship dollars for our students here at SMSU. Over the years, the Gala has raised $950,000 since its inception. And there's a couple of exciting ways that I wanted to talk to you about today, how you can participate in this year's Gala. First, please consider donating $100 to the Gala. That will be matched up to $20,000. So we can raise $40,000 in scholarships just through $100 donations. Secondly, we'll have an online auction going on all week. I encourage you to participate, bid, talk to alumni and friends, find things that excite you, and again, those bids will raise dollars for scholarships for our students. For me, SMSU provided not only a great education, also the foundation for my career, gave me an opportunity to be a student athlete through the football team, as well as the foundation for my family as I met my wife here at SMSU. So I really encourage you to participate in the Gala this year for SMSU and the future Mustangs. Thank you. Go Mustangs.